everyone. Our topic for today is regulations of the European Union internal market. But before we proceed to PowerPoint presentation, let us introduce ourselves first. I am Avera Nanditi Dubai together with
And I am Benjamin Alpan.
I'm Ishimage Mate.
And I am Stephanie Magdalena.
Internal Market General Framework. The internal market is one of the pillars of the European Union law. The single internal market defined by the reference to the four free movements, which is the goods, people, services, and capital to ensure an ever-closer economic, monetary, and political union. In 1993, the single more open to the competition, created new jobs, defined more reasonable prices for consumers and enabled businesses and citizens to benefit from the goods and services. Of the TEC, the objectives of the original TEC is as follows. The community shall have as its task establishing a common market to promote a harmonious development of economic activities throughout the community. In Article 3, the TEC concerning activities to be undertaken to achieve the TEC objectives. So in Article 26 of the TEU stipulates, it shall adopt measures and aid establishing or ensuring the functioning of internal market. Internal market comprises an area without frontiers in which the free four movements, which is the goods, services, persons, and capitals. The objectives of establishing a common market was set in the TEC and other treaties, such as the Single European Act 1986 and the TFEU. Recently, the Single Market Act of April 2012 aims at improving European Union people, works, businesses, and exchange with one another.
Regulations on four fundamental freedoms. The European Union's economic and social policy revolves around four fundamental freedoms, which is the free movement of goods, workers, capital, and the freedom to provide services. Abolishing tariffs and internal controls since 1923, which is internal border checks and customs duties within the European Union have been eliminated, creating a seamless trade environment. Prohibiting or discriminatory taxes, Article 110 TFEU, which is countries cannot impose unfair taxes and favor domestic products over imports. The Common Agricultural Policy or CAP aligns the principle, which is freedom by supporting European farmers, ensuring food quality, and maintaining rural development. So the second one is free movement of workers. The removal of borders controls within the EU allows citizens to travel, live, and work freely. The Schengen area facilities movement through external borders remain regulated, which is workers can seek employment anywhere in the EU with equal rights as local citizens, increasing job opportunities and boosting
grass.